Hello students, welcome to my maths class. Today I shall discuss multiplication. We know that multiplication is repeated addition of a number. Multiplication is repeated addition of a number. Multiplication is repeated addition of a number. For example, suppose here 2 apples, here also 2, here also 2 apples. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to how many apples are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 apples are there. So repeat. We add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 6. If we write, or we can write multiplication 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2, 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Or in words we write 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So here repeated addition, here multiplication, and here in words. That's why multiplication is called repeated addition of a number. Or if we write there, draw 3 mangoes, 1, 2, 3, one group, another group it is 1, 2, 3. So we write 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And if we multiply, then we write 3 how many times? 2 times. 2 3s are 6. Or in words we write 2 3s are 6. So we got here multiplication is repeated addition of a number. Multiplication is shown by the sign cross sign C R O double S, cross. For example, 3 2. If we give cross there, then we understand we do multiplication. So 5 3. If we give this cross sign, then we understand it is multiplication. Okay, next. Number 3. The number that is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. The number that is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. Number 4. The number by which another number is multiplied is called multiplier. So the number by which another number is multiplied is called multiplier. Number 5. The result of multiplication is called the product. The result of multiplication is called the product. Here we get 3 things. The number that is multiplied by another number is called multiplicand. The number by which another number is multiplied is called multiplier, and the result of multiplication is called the product. For example, suppose 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. This here 5 is multiplicand, 4 is multiplier, and 10 is product. So here 5 is multiplicand, 4 is multiplier, and 10 is product. Next. Question number 1. Write as addition and addition and multiplication. Addition and multiplication. Write as addition and multiplication. Question number A. 2 plus 2, or we write here addition and multiplication. Addition, multiplication. Question number A. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal to 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 8, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8. Here we get 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 2. So, in multiplication, we can write 4. 2 how many times? 4 times 4, 2s are 6. 8. 4 2s are 8. If we write in words, we can write 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. Question number B. 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So, addition we write 3 plus 3 is equal to 8. In multiplication we write how many times 3 are there? 3 1 time 2 times. So, 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. In what we write 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Question number C. 4 in addition, 4 plus 4 plus 4. So, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12. So, in multiplication we write 4 how many times? 1 2 3. 3 times 4. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 equal to 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So, we in words we write 3 4 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Next, number D. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal to 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. So, in multiplication we write 5 how many times? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 4 times 5. 4 times 5. So, 4 5s are 4 5s are 20. 4 5 are 20. 4 5s are 20. Next, E 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So here 4 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Here 4, 5 times. So 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 16 plus 4, 20. So here 4, 4 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 4. 4 5 jar 20. 4 5 jar 20. In words we write 5 4s are 20. So here you see, here 4 5s are 20 and 5 4s are 20. So both answer are same, but what is the difference? Here 5 4 times. Here 5 4 times. So 5 4s are 20 and here 4 5 times. The difference is here 5 4 times and here 4 5 times. Next, F 6 plus 6 equal to 12. 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6 equal to 12. Here we got 6 how many times? 1 2 times. 1 time 2 times 6. So in multiplication we write 2 into 6. 2 times 6 equal to 12. So 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Okay, next question number 2. Multiply by repeated addition. Multiply by repeated multiply by repeated addition. Question number A, 4 into 7 equal to dash. So here we get 7 4 times. 7 4 times. If we add 7 4 times, we get the answer. So 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. So 7 plus 7 is equal to 14. 14 plus 7 is equal to 21. 21 plus 7 is equal to 28. Answer is 28. So 7 4 7 are 28. 4 7 are 28. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. Question number B, 7 into 4. Here 7 4 times and there 4 7 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 4. So here 4 plus 4 8 is equal, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 12 plus 8 is equal to 16. 16 plus 8 is equal to 20. 20 plus 8 is 4 is equal to 24. 24 plus 4 is equal to 28. Answer is 28. Both answer is 28. For here 7 times 4 and here 4 times 7. Question number next. 3 into 9. So here we get 9 3 times. Here we get 9 3 times. 9 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. Answer is 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. Number D. 2 into 6. So here 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So 2 6 are 12. Question number next. 4 into 4. So here 4 times. 4 times. We add 4 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So here 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. 12 plus 4 16. 4 4s are 16. So answer is 4 4s are 16. Next question number F. 5 into 2. So here 2 5 times. 2 5 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 1 2 3 4 5 times 2. So 2 plus 2 4. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. So 5 2s are 10. Next. Question number G. 3 8. 8 jar. So here 8 3 times. 8 3 times. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So here 8 plus 8 16. 8 plus 8 16. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. If you cannot, you can use line 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. So 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. Here 8 3 8 jar 24. 3 8 jar 24. Question number H. 4 into 5. Here 5 4 times. 5 4 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. So 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 20. Answer is 20. Here 4 5s are 20. Next, HI 6 into 3. 6 into 3 here. 3 6 times. 3 6 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 3 6 times. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. 12 plus 3 15 and 15 plus 3 18. 6 plus 3 6, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18. So here 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. Next, question number IJ. 7 into 2. Here we get 2 7 times. 7 2s are means 7 2s are 2 7 times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 times. So we add 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 plus 2 12. 12 plus 2 14. Answer is 14. Answer is 14. Here 7 2s are 14. 7 2s are 14. Next, question number 3. multiplication multiplication facts. FACTS facts. Now we shall learn some multiplicational facts. Multiplication facts. Now we shall learn some multiplication facts. First, question number A1. Here 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. Is equal to 12. So here 3 how many times? 4 times. 3 4 times. So 4 in 3s are 4 3s are 12. Same 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. So here we got 4. Here also 12. Here answer is same, but here difference is here 3 4 times and there here 4 3 times. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. So here we write 3 into 4 is equal to 12. The fact is 4 into 3 is equal to 4 3s are 12 and 3 is 4 are 12. Difference is here 3 4 times and here 4 3 times. So fact is multiplication fact equal to multiplication fact equal to 4 into or 4 3s are 12 equal to 4 3s are 12. No need to write. 4 3s are equal to 3 4 3 4s are both are same. 4 3s are or and 3 4s are both are same. 4 3s are 12 and 3 4s are also 12. Next fact number 2. 6 plus 6 plus 6 equal to 18. Here we get 6 3 times. 6 3 times 3 into 6. 3 into 6 equal to what we get answer 18. 18 or 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 times. So 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18. Here 3 6 times. 3 6 times or 6 times 3. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. 6 times 3 is equal to 18. Here multiplicational fact or multiplication fact equal to 3 by 6 3 into 6 or 3 6 are equal to 6 3 are 6 3 are 3 6 are 3 6 are we got 18 and 6 3 are also 18. So 3 6 are and 3 6 3 are both are same. Next question number 4. Fill in. Question number A. 2 into 8 equal to 8 into dash. Question number B. 3 into 5 equal to 5 into dash. Question number C. 6 into 4 equal to dash into 6. Next question number C D. 4 into 5 equal to dash into 4. Question number D E. 6 into 7 equal to dash into 6. Question number E. 4 into 8 equal to 8 into dash. F 9 into 3 equal to 3 into dash. G 2 into 7 equal to 7 into dash. Next, GH 5 into 9 equal to dash into 5. So we know 2 into 8 equal to 8 into 2. Both are same. Here 2 8 2 times. Here 8 2 times, and here 2 8 times. 8 2 times, and here 2 8 times. So both are 2 8 jar 16. 2 8 jar 16 and 8 2 jar also 16. So both are same. Next, 3 5 jar 15, and there 5 is there. 5 3 jar 15. So both are same. Here 3. Answer is 3. Next, 4 6 4 jar 24. 6 4 jar 24. Here 6 is there, 4 is there, but here only 6 is there. So we write here 4 6 jar 24. 6 4 jar 24 and 4 6 jar also 24. So here 4 5 jar 20. 4 5 jar 20 equal to here 5 4 jar. 5 4 jar also 20. So here answer 5. So here 4 is there, here 4 is there, here 5 is there, here 5 is there. So 5 4 jar 20, 4 5 jar 20 and 5 4 jar 20. Here 6 7 jar and they are dash 6 jar. So here 7 6 jar equal to same. 6 7 jar 42, 7 6 jar also 42. 4 8 jar 32, and we know 8 4 jar also 32. So 6 4 jar 4 8 jar equal to 8 4 jar. 4 8 jar equal to 8 4 jar. Next, 9 3 jar is equal to, we know, 3 9 jar. 9 3 jar equal to 3 9 jar. 9 3 jar 27 and 3 9 jar also 27. Here 2 7 jar equal to 7 2 jar. Same. 2 7 jar 14 and 7 2 jar also 14. So both are same. Here 5 9 jar 45 and here 9 5 jar also same. 5 here 5 9 jar and here 9 5 jar. Both are same because 5 9 jar 45 and 9 5 jar 45. 5 9 jar 45, 9 5 jar 45. Here difference is 5 9 5 times and they are 5 9 times. Next, question number 5. Another multiplication fact facts equal to number into 0 equal to always 0, or 0 into number equal to 0. 0 into number equal to 0. Suppose, for example, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. How many times 0? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we add 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to, answer is 0. Answer is 0. But here 0 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 0, 5 into 0. So answer what we got? 0. Or 0 into 5 is equal to 0. So here 0 5 times equal to 0, or into 0 into 5 equal to same answer. What? 0 into 5 is equal to 0. Now question number 6. Fill in. Fill in. Question number A. 4 into 0 equal to dash. B. 8 into 0 equal to dash. C. 10 into 0 equal to dash. D. 12 into 0 equal to dash. Seven into 0 equal to, or 7 into dash equal to 0. F. 9 into dash equal to 0. G. Dash into 13 equal to 0. H. Dash into 15 equal to 0. So just before some time we got number into 0 equal to, answer is 0. 4 into 4 zeros are 0. Same 8 zeros are 0. 10 zeros are 0. 12 zeros are 0. We got, if product or answer is 0, then if number is there, then it is what? 7 into 0 is equal to 0. Here 9, product is 0, so 9 into 0 is equal to 0. Here 0 into number, we got 0 multiplied by any number, then also answer is 0. So here 0 into 13 is equal to 0, and here 0 into, or 0 multiply 15 is equal to 0. My dear student, today up to this, if you have any doubt, you can call me at night. Thank you.